In simple words, conduction, convection, and radiation is a physics law or idea that teenagers can understand through forces, motion, energy, waves, light, sound, or electricity. Here is the goal. Understand this so clearly that the next time you see it in real life, your brain says, I know this physics. Here is the plan. No confusing lecture. We will use pictures, motion, classroom examples, and everyday situations so a teenager can understand what is happening and why it matters. Part 1. The law in simple words. Meaning, this is a physics rule that explains how objects, energy, waves, light, electricity, or forces behave in the real world. Example, start with one object, one change, and one result. That is the easiest way to understand the law. Remember, physics is easiest when you connect the law to something you can see. Part 2. A game or sports example. Meaning, in games and sports, this shows up whenever motion, force, energy, light, sound, or pressure changes what happens next. Example, in a racing, sports, or puzzle game, the same physics idea makes movement feel believable. Remember, connect the physics idea to one action you can see on screen or on the field. Part 3. A real-life example. Meaning, physics becomes easy when you stop treating it like a formula and start asking what changed, what caused it, and what result you can observe. Example, you can usually spot this law in vehicles, sports, school experiments, tools, or phone technology. Remember, real-life examples make the law easier to remember than memorizing words alone. Part 4. The common mistake. Meaning, the common mistake is memorizing a formula before understanding what is physically changing. Example, when a question feels confusing, draw the object, mark the forces or energy changes, and describe the motion in one sentence before using any formula. Remember, clear thinking comes before calculation. Quick recap, this is easier when you split it into small parts. Today we covered the law in simple words, a game or sports example, a real-life example, the common mistake. Use one idea first. Then add the next. Subscribe if you want to ace your next physics exam without falling asleep. New lesson every day. See you tomorrow, legend. Remember this, one clear idea is better than many confusing details.